In this video, we will show you all the keys functions of the Chartplotter AQUAMAP 1252xs. In the home screen and setting page, use the knob or arrow key to highlight an option. Press the knob or select to select it. Press back to return to the previous page, and press home to go directly to the home screen. Holding home to take a screenshot. This function requires a SD card. Holding power to turn on or off the device. Press power to go to the power page. Keep pressing it to switch the backlight between 0, 100 and the current setting. Next, let's go to the traditional Sonar screen to show other keys functions. The knob is for the range control. Press it to switch to the gain control. Press gain to open the gain menu. Press range zoom to open the range menu. Hold to open the zoom menu. Press clutter to open the clutter menu. On the Sonar screen, press VRM to show or hide the depth line. Use up and down arrow keys to adjust its depth. Press menu to open the options menu. Here, you can find all the detailed settings for the current screen. Next, let's enter the single range radar screen. Press VRM to enter the variable range marker and electronic bearing line menu. Mark waypoint, man overboard, can be used in any screen. Press to mark your boat position as a mark. Hold to mark your boat position as a waypoint. Press arrow keys to move the cursor to mark a position, a waypoint, or other functions at a specific position. On a combination screen, press focus to move the highlight to a different window, and then you can adjust settings separately. Press page to switch through favorite screens. Favorite screens can be personalized by pressing menu in the favorites page. Thank you for watching.